to see how that controller turned out today too. Heck, are those green beans growing here? Interesting. Canada Day is coming soon, and I actually couldn't think of what to do for the day. I know the parade's been cancelled this year, so that basically kind of narrows down the options, but there is still a ton of things to do. Makes me wonder where I should go. I was also reading how there was this expo that showed a bunch of drones in China, and it says here it's to show how unmanned aerial vehicles are going to change people's lives. And then the pictures of these drones, at first I thought this was just like a display, like how they have big statues and stuff. Like is this actually a real drone? Look how huge this is. Holy cow. This one looks like it's more for like police and military and stuff like that. The only relatable one, I guess, is this little one with the air, I guess like an air selfie, which I've kind of seen before. But still, look how humongous these ones are. Can you imagine flying something like this? I'd imagine those ones are more for carrying heavy loads and different items, like military ones. I would assume they have things like missiles and stuff in there. But yeah, just to me, it's kind of weird the design, because it seems like it's the exact same design with, like, say, a quote toy one just blown up like at a huge size. I would imagine the design of it would be radically different.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
What can I help you with?
I'm supposed to pick up our controller.
Okay. Cool, so so you replace the button board inside.
Okay.
So there's like a strip of all the buttons together.
Yeah.
So when you break one of the connectors, you have to
Yeah.
replace the button board.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he sync this up to a different drone to test it?
That's quite possible.
Because I don't know, yeah, so am I able to use it right now, or do I need to hook it up to a computer before it will?
So you'll just have to
Or can I test it right here?
do you have your drone here?
Yeah.
You can just link it up for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that for you. Alright, so total is 7504.
Yeah. The card?
Yep. Connected already, I believe. I'm just gonna do a small test right here.
Okay. It's just a flying start.
As a precaution.
Okay. Sounds so weird.
Yeah, without it, yeah. Like what?
It's like it's broken or something.
I remember like our tech, the first time we fixed a spark, we didn't know the button was like an auto lift off.
Oh really? Okay.
So now we're back, we just hear like a spark go up.
Did it damage the ceiling then?
No, it was good. It was just hovering above his desk.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny though.
You may have seen people crash into sports mode usually.
Yeah, because there's no sensors or anything.
Yeah.
Go to a point where it's gonna dive bomb to the ground.
Yeah. Okay, so now to test it somewhere, although the funny thing is it was still synced up to my Mavic Pro, the drone, so they didn't actually test it to make sure like the range and stuff works, so this will be interesting. Oh, I just noticed on my controller antenna, it looks like it's scratched, even though they gave me like a different one. You can kind of see that mark on the edge there. And what they used to fill it, I don't really know, but it's kind of bulging out, the one where that little piece came out. I just seen that little scratch, just made me want to evaluate this invoice a little bit more. What did they do to it? They said technically they replaced a DJI Mavic RC button board, $22, and for their labor, $45 for a half an hour repair. Would you ask basically for compensation for that, or just whatever? The heck, there's a trail here. All right, see you guys later.